Guangdong Futuer Machinery Co Limited is a professional manufacturer of metal hinge molds and metal stampings. It is good at making metal hinge molds of various stamping materials, drawing dies, continuous dies, various punching dies, and focus on providing one-stop solutions. We have independent research and development capabilities, a professional team and after-sales service, and can provide professional engineering and technical personnel for overseas installation and commissioning. Our company is a leading enterprise in the industry, an integrated enterprise of industry and trade. Our wire cutting department has high-end technology automatic punching machines and dozens of wire cutting machines to ensure product accuracy and production efficiency. Our drilling and assembly workshop has several automatic CNC drilling machines and surface grinders to ensure product quality and effects. And has multiple invention patents. This is the finishing and assembly area of the mold production workshop. In the professional field, we have unique expertise from designing molds to product stamping and processing. We always adhere to inspirational innovation and quality first as important indicators of mold design and manufacturing. And it has a large double point punch of 200 tons of gantry type, and 200 tons, 125 tons, 63 tons of single point punches. We debug and produce every set of molds before shipment to ensure that customers receive high quality products. According to the needs of customers, we provide professional, efficient, and complete production design solutions and provide high quality stamping processes and equipment production videos. In the production and debugging of products, we take every process step and process seriously and serve our customers wholeheartedly with a high quality and careful attitude. Our company has been exploring the international market for a long time. So far, our equipment has been sold all over the world, and our high efficiency and high quality product molds have been recognized by our customers. Welcome customers at home and abroad to come to the factory or call to participate in the business. Our company is willing to develop together with you and open up a better tomorrow.